All 25 of these gadgets fit in the palm of your hand, or even in your bag. But don't make the mistake of underestimating them, because Amazon's smallest products often hide the most brilliant ideas. Some cost very little, take up almost no space, and yet end up becoming the gadgets you use most. Let's see which of these 25 surprises you the most. Forgetting one dose is easy. Remembering whether you already took it can somehow be even harder. Defi solves that awkward daily mystery with a pill bottle that flashes, makes a sound, and sends an alert to your phone when it is time. Each opening is logged automatically through Bluetooth, giving you a simple medication history without entering anything manually. Once the schedule is set, the bottle keeps working even when your phone is in another room, so it does not suddenly become useless without a screen nearby. It is lightweight, travel-friendly, and can run for up to a year on 4 batteries. This tiny dose watchdog costs $59.95. That stubborn package tape is about to lose a very unfair fight. This thumb-sized Chinese gadget hides a tiny cutting tool inside a galaxy-patterned handle, making it useful for opening envelopes, small boxes, and deliveries without carrying a full-size knife. A small ring lets it ride with your keys, while the included metal case makes it feel more like a miniature collectible than something made for chores. Each handle is partly handmade, so the pattern and dimensions can vary slightly, giving every piece its own look. It is not designed for heavy cutting, but for quick everyday jobs, it takes up almost no room. This tiny EDC curiosity costs $9.99. Place this beside a bonsai and an ordinary shelf suddenly looks like a tiny Japanese courtyard at sunset. The miniature pagoda is made from solid sandstone and hides a warm yellow light that gives desks, terrariums, and zen gardens a surprisingly cinematic glow. There are no loose cables or complicated controls. Twisting the base is enough to switch it on and off. It also comes with replacement lights, and the button batteries can be changed when needed. It may look perfect near a fish tank, but keep the light out of the water because apparently even miniature temples need boundaries. This tiny Japanese lantern costs $9.99. At first, these look like 2 flat strips someone accidentally left beside the stove. Fold them once though, and they pop into full measuring spoons for wet or dry ingredients. The 2-piece set replaces 6 traditional sizes, slides into narrow jars, and folds flat again before it can start another drawer traffic jam. Built-in magnets keep both pieces together or let them stick to the refrigerator, so they are actually visible when a recipe suddenly demands half a teaspoon. Their flexible construction is designed to survive more than 100,000 folds without cracking. This kitchen origami gadget costs $21.99. Breakfast goes in ordinary and comes out shaped like a heart. The Dash Mini Waffle Maker turns almost any batter into a golden 4-inch serving, including waffles, hash browns, paninis, cookies, and even tiny pizzas when breakfast starts ignoring the rules. Plug it in, wait a few minutes, and the 2 nonstick plates cook both sides evenly without leaving you to scrape off a kitchen crime scene afterward. It is small enough for a drawer, dorm, camper, or crowded counter, yet somehow finds more jobs than appliances 10 times its size. A recipe guide is included, so your first attempt does not have to become a science experiment. Even a rushed Monday breakfast suddenly looks suspiciously thoughtful. This tiny breakfast factory costs $10.95. The moment this lens clips onto your phone, ordinary objects start revealing secrets. A flower petal, a coin, or even a crumb can suddenly look like footage from a nature documentary thanks to 15 times macro magnification. Around the lens, 53 LEDs provide warm, cool, or daylight illumination with adjustable brightness, so your subject stays clear without performing gymnastics beside a window. It clips onto iPhones, Android phones, tablets, and laptops, then slips into a small bag when filming is done. USB charging keeps it ready for close-up photos, videos, and vlog shots. This pocket-size macro studio costs $25.99. A full-size mop would look ridiculous on a desk, but this tiny one is built exactly for the messes that happen there. It wipes coffee spills, grease, crumbs, mirrors, counters, tiles, and even car interiors without scratching the surface. Grooves in the sponge grab dry debris, while the built-in hand wringer squeezes out dirty water without making you touch it. Fold it when cleanup is over, drop it into a drawer, and reuse the 3 included heads again and again. It is basically a miniature janitor for surfaces too small to deserve an entire bucket. This pocket-sized cleanup gadget costs $6.99. Open this paper-thin object and it suddenly expands into a glowing lantern, like a tiny magic trick for dark hotel rooms. The rechargeable travel lamp slips easily into a bag, then provides 4 to 6 hours of warm light for reading, relaxing, or replacing that painfully bright bedside bulb. Tap the base to switch it on, then hold your finger there to smoothly adjust the brightness until the room feels right. Its paper shade may look fragile, but it is made to resist scratches and splashes, while the sturdy base keeps it upright. This foldable pocket atmosphere costs $22.49. A beach umbrella protects one person until the wind decides it belongs 3 towels away. The Nezo tent creates a 9x9 foot shaded area using aluminum poles and corner bags filled with sand or rocks, so there are no heavy anchors to carry. It stands 7 feet tall, blocks harsh sunlight with UPF 50 protection, and handles unexpected rain with water-resistant fabric. Despite covering an entire group, it weighs only about 6.5 pounds and packs into a shoulder bag small enough for carry-on luggage. There is even a cooler pocket for drinks and snacks, because shade without refreshments is just organized suffering. This portable beach headquarters costs $160.00. A camping mat always looks tiny until you are the one trying to inflate it after a long hike. The FlexTail Gear Zero Pump 2 handles that job while being barely larger than a thumb. This pocket-sized pump pushes enough air to fill sleeping pads, pool floats, and beach inflatables without forcing you to carry a bulky machine. Several included nozzles help it fit different valves, which means fewer moments of staring at an opening that somehow matches nothing you packed. Its battery detaches, charges through USB-C, and can be swapped for a spare on longer trips. It is not meant for tires or high-pressure gear, but for camping and pool days, this tiny gadget acts suspiciously powerful. It costs $59.98. Your half-finished snack bag no longer has to survive the night folded, twisted, and trapped beneath a random coffee mug. The raw cocoa heats up in seconds and reseals plastic packaging with a tight line that helps keep chips, cookies, cereal, coffee, and pet food fresh for longer. Slide the hidden cutter across the bag when you need to open it again, and one tiny tool replaces clips, scissors, and a bulky sealer. It recharges through USB-C, includes an automatic shutoff to prevent overheating, and sticks magnetically to compatible refrigerator doors when the job is done. This pocket-sized snack security system costs $11.19. Your coffee scoop has been guessing this entire time, and this gadget finally exposes it. Add beans, spices, baking ingredients, or pet food, and the handle instantly shows the exact weight on its illuminated screen. A built-in bubble level tells you when the spoon is perfectly horizontal because apparently even measuring powder now requires pilot-level precision. It switches between grams, ounces, and milliliters, subtracts container weight, and freezes the reading before your hand moves. Both spoon heads detach for cleaning, while USB-C charging eliminates disposable batteries. This tiny scale, pretending to be a spoon, costs $15.99. Give a kid a camera and suddenly the family pet has its own full-time photographer. This Mickey Mouse mini camera lets young creators capture photos and videos without handing them a phone packed with distractions. A front-facing lens makes selfies easy, while more than 20 filters, playful frames, burst shooting, and a timer turn ordinary moments into tiny productions. Its compact body is designed to survive small hands, accidental drops, and the mysterious places children leave their belongings. The included 32 gigabytes of storage holds plenty of experiments, and the handmade strap keeps it nearby during trips and family adventures. This pocket-sized memory machine costs $49.99. This tiny Chinese gadget looks like a spaceship exhaust clipped to your waist. Its 3 air outlets push cool air under your shirt and across your entire back, right when the heat has you questioning every life choice. You can fine-tune the airflow through 100 levels, check the remaining battery on its screen, and keep it running for up to 13 hours. 2 clips hold it steady while you work or walk, but it can also hang from your neck or sit on a desk. And because cooling half your back apparently was not enough, it includes a flashlight for when the heat decides nighttime is fair game too. This pocket-sized personal air conditioner costs $26.99. One firm press, and an entire onion drops into the container as neat little cubes without first making you cry over the cutting board. The Kiaoki Mini Chopper uses 3 interchangeable blades to handle fine salsa pieces, chunky vegetables, fruit, or thicker potatoes ready for fries. Everything lands below instead of scattering across the counter, while a protective pusher keeps your fingers away from the sharp grid. When the chopping spree ends, the blades store inside the same clear container, shrinking the whole setup to about the size of a mug. It even includes a cleaning brush for the stubborn bits that cling to the blades like they have signed a lease. This tiny vegetable executioner costs $25.99. Your hair can wake up looking like it spent the night arguing with a ceiling fan. The MegaWise brush detangles and straightens in the same pass, heating up in about 20 seconds so you are not ironing every strand individually. Adjustable temperature settings help match different hair types, while ionic technology reduces frizz and adds a smoother, shinier finish. Its anti-scald design keeps the hot surface away from your skin, and automatic shutoff handles that familiar "did I leave it on?" panic after 60 minutes. Dual voltage also makes it easier to pack for trips. This morning hair peace treaty costs $26.95. This little green puck can turn a bedroom ceiling into a movie screen before anyone finishes asking where the television went. The iSpace 2 runs on its own battery, connects through Wi-Fi, HDMI, USB, or USB-C, and uses built-in Android to open streaming applications without needing another box. Its included aluminum tripod rotates and tilts, making it easy to project on a wall, ceiling, or outdoor screen. When movie night ends, twist the lens closed and it instantly becomes a 360-degree Bluetooth speaker. It is basically a pocket theater that refuses to have only one job. This portable projector costs $159.99. The airport outlet is occupied. You're freaking. Your phone is dying, and somehow everyone suddenly needs your charger. This pocket-sized power bank ends the argument with built-in cables, USB-A, USB-C, and a magnetic Apple Watch charger, powering up to 5 devices at once. Its 10,000 milliamp battery can recharge a phone multiple times, while fast charging can push a compatible iPhone to 50% in about 30 minutes. The LED screen shows the exact percentage remaining, and the keychain hook clips onto a backpack so easily you may forget it is there until it saves the day. This tiny pink power station costs $28.99. Nobody expects a pan smaller than their hand to make dinner look this dramatic. This set includes 4 tiny cast iron skillets for individual brownies, skillet cookies, eggs, warm dips, or anything that deserves to reach the table still sizzling. They arrive pre-seasoned, hold heat surprisingly well, and can move from the stovetop to the oven, grill, or even a campfire. They may look like toys, but touching one while hot will fix that illusion immediately. So the set includes a silicone mitt. With regular oiling, their natural cooking surface gets better over time. This miniature cast iron squad costs $13.99. Some flashlights are small. This one looks like it escaped from Batman's utility belt. The Woobin G5 fits on a keychain, yet pushes up to 400 lumens and can light up objects dozens of meters away. Its rotating head aims the beam exactly where you need it. The clip attaches to clothing, and the magnetic base sticks to a car hood while both hands stay free. It also cycles through RGB colors, includes signal modes, and handles water, drops, and generally uncooperative nights. It recharges through USB-C, can last up to 65 hours on low brightness, and locks so it does not switch on inside your pocket. This miniature flashlight costs $19.95. Forget tiny appetizers. This jumbo press turns one stuffed pocket into an entire meal. Its 8-inch mold cuts the dough, holds a seriously generous filling, and seals the edges before everything escapes across the counter. It also works for calzones, hand pies, pierogi, samosas, and almost anything improved by hiding something delicious inside dough. A matching cutter and sturdy scoop are included, while the reinforced body stays firm when your creation becomes dangerously ambitious. This giant empanada maker costs $29.98. Your camera roll is about to become an entire sticker store. The Lena PixCut S1 takes a photo from your phone, removes the background with AI, prints it in vivid color, and cuts precisely around the subject without sending you on a stressful scissors mission. It can also turn selfies into anime characters, fantasy heroes, or custom artwork before transforming them into waterproof, scratch-resistant stickers. Everything happens through the application, with thousands of templates and design elements available without a subscription. The Inspire Kit includes 180 sheets, so your first creative marathon does not end after 3 stickers. This all-in-one sticker factory costs $346.99. One bad crack in breakfast suddenly includes an unwanted side of eggshell. This Li and Zhao gadget opens the shell with a controlled squeeze, then separates the white from the yolk using the built-in divider. It is especially useful for baking, omelets, and recipes that require several eggs in a row, because it keeps hands cleaner and the counter far less dramatic. No more passing the yolk between broken shells like a tiny kitchen circus act. This compact egg-cracking assistant costs $13.99. That awkward 4-inch gap on the counter can apparently become an entire coffee station. The Keurig K-Mini Mate brews a fresh cup up to 12 ounces with K-Cup pods while taking up less space than most kitchen containers. Its single-cup reservoir uses only the water you need, and the front fits taller travel mugs for mornings when sitting down is clearly not happening. Compact, pink, and almost suspiciously easy to place anywhere, it costs $59.99. This is what happens when a tea kettle and a glass teapot decide one container is enough. The Tea Bloom Kyoto heats the water, steeps loose leaves, and serves everything without making you juggle multiple pieces across the kitchen. Its roomy stainless steel infuser gives the leaves space to unfold, while the fine openings keep unwanted bits out of the cup. Remove it for blooming teas or fruit-infused water, and the clear glass turns the entire process into part of the experience. It holds several servings, cleans easily through its wide opening, and can even be used in the microwave after removing the lid and filter. This miniature tea ritual costs $24.99.